Do you enjoy watching videos and fancy earning rewards while doing it? Welcome to TubePay, the revolutionary app that turns your screen time into rewarding time. This isn't a gimmick, it's a genuine opportunity to earn rewards simply by watching videos. Whether it's a short clip or a binge-worthy series, each second spent on TubePay contributes to your rewards pool. Imagine binge-watching your favorite shows and getting rewarded for it. That's what TubePay offers you. There's more to TubePay than meets the eye. Now let's delve into the exciting features of the TubePay app. Imagine earning points just by doing what you love, watching videos. That's right, every clip you watch fills your pocket with points. But hey, that's not all. Have you ever played a lucky number game? TubePay has this feature integrated right into the app. Try your hand at this game, pick your lucky number, and who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Then there's the spin the wheel. Each spin on this digital wheel of fortune brings you a chance to earn extra points. It's not just about luck, it's about having fun while you're at it. But why keep all the fun to yourself? The TubePay app lets you invite your friends to join in on the fun. When you share the app with your friends, you also earn bonus points. The more friends you invite, the more points you earn. And how about turning these points into real-world rewards? The points you earn can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. Yes, you heard it right, your love for videos can now be rewarded in a tangible way. And that's not all. The more you watch, the more you earn. It's as simple and exciting as that. Now you must be wondering, what do you do with all the points you earn? Well, the beauty of TubePay is right here. You see, your points aren't just numbers on a screen, they transform into real, tangible rewards. You can redeem your hard-earned points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. That's right. Your love for watching videos can now turn into that book you've been eyeing on Amazon, or maybe even a nice dinner using PayPal Cash. And you're not alone in this. TubePay is enjoyed by a thriving community of video watchers. With over 100,000 downloads and an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from 21,500 reviews, it's clear that TubePay is a crowd favorite. So what are you waiting for? Download TubePay now and start earning rewards while watching videos. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.